welcome to my vlog. So dito tayo ngayon sa Pardo guys. So sobrang mahina yung takbo ng sasakyan guys. Is a traffic hour guys. At the time of 5 p.m. in the afternoon guys. Yan. Ang hina-hina guys no. Para lang yung pag-ibig natin. Mahina yung titinitibok ng ating puso. Oh my goodness. Uhugot na naman tayo guys. Shout out to all of here guys. Mega love shout out. Pa-subscribe Archie Olores channel. Shout out guys. Yes, thank you very much guys. We are here. Oh my goodness. Ambulance is coming. Shout out guys. Subscribe Archie Olores channel guys. Subscribe to my YouTube. Yan, sobrang traffic guys no. It's a rush hour. All of is going out. Yan. Yan. Medyo traffic talaga guys. Hey, shout out there. Yan. Shout out guys sa Archie Olores channel. Subscribe to my YouTube guys. Thank you so much. Madlang people. Ayan guys. Napaka-traffic guys. Mabagal yung traffic basta nagsisinabasan na lahat guys. Tingnan nyo guys. Subscribe. Hello, subscribe to my YouTube channel guys. Ang macho ng Cebu, Archie Olores channel guys. Hello. What's up? Subscribe guys, Archie Olores channel. Subscribe to my vlog guys, Archie Olores channel. Ang macho ng Cebu. Mega love shout out everyone. Subscribe to my vlog. Ayan guys. Ang hina-hina ng traffic guys no. Ang laloy ng sasakyan. Hey, what's up? Yes guys. Hey, subscribe. Mega love shout out Busing. Guys. Hey, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Archie Olores channel guys. Ang macho ng Cebu, Archie Olores channel. Hello. And guys, sobrang hina talaga guys. Yeah. Subscribe ma'am, Archie Olores channel sa YouTube. Archie Olores channel. Another one. Yeah. Shout out guys, subscribe Archie Olores channel.
Ano yung channel niya?
Archie Olores channel. Hi guys. Hey ma'am. Beautiful, subscribe. Hi.
Hello. Sa vlog ka?
Subscribe.